Hi folks, my name is Nestor Suarez and I'm here to show you how easy it is to assemble one of our Chiavari chairs. So let's get started. First thing, when you unpack your chair, you're going to have your chair's back, the front legs, the chair seat, your spindles, plus you'll have a bag with the screws and the screw caps. All you need is to bring a screwdriver. In our case, we have a screwdriver plus a little power drill to make things a little faster. So to get started, you get the front legs and you grab a spindle. Now, the spindles, you'll notice on one side, it's going to have these grooves. And those grooves slide into the front legs. There's the holes where where the spindles go, and you're going to guide them through. Now, the key is this can go one of two ways. We'll do it the wrong way. This way, the leg, if you notice, it's wider towards the rear. So, and narrower towards the front. You want it the opposite way. So you want to take that out, flip it over, and so now you see this is pointing towards the inside. Put all of them in. See, they're pointing towards the inside. That's the correct way to do it. We're going to do one incorrectly to show you what that looks like. So obviously this is pointing towards the outside. That's the wrong way to do it. We'll just take it out, flip it over. Now this is the correct way. Everything's pointing towards the inside. That's the right way to have it. Okay, once you have that ready, you're going to grab the chair back, so line everything properly. Boom. Now we can stand up the chair. Everything's good. Now at this point, I don't have any screws in. And why is that? In case there's some error, we can adjust. But at this point, everything is in place. Okay, now we're going to open our bag of screws with the screw caps. And we're going to hand place these in. It's always a good practice to tighten these by hand before you use any screwdriver. Make sure it grabs the thread properly. The last thing you want to do is strip the threads. And as you're doing it, you can feel when it grabs the thread. So I'm going to hand tighten right now. All right, now we've got all the 8 screws in place. There's the 4 in the front, 4 in the back. Now it's easy. Place the seat front. This pops in place. Okay, once that's in place, all you need to do, you're going to notice you'll have 3 screws left over. All you need is the 2 screws. That extra screw is in case you lose one. They've included an extra screw here. So we're just going to tighten this up a little bit so it'll grab. Perfect. I'm going to hand tighten there as much as I can. Grab the screwdriver. Okay. At this point, this chair is fully secure. This is ready to go, ready to party. The one thing that's missing is, let's add the matching screw cap covers. And you'll notice our screw cap covers have these little, if you notice on the shape, it has little ridges that match the ridges of the Chiavari chair's legs. So you can pop those in place. Use the back of your screwdriver. Boom. One done. Get the other one. Now you got to make sure you have something. In this case, I've got a little rubber back to my screwdriver. You don't want something that's going to damage or scratch your chair. So if you don't have something with rubber here, a rubber mallet would work, or just any kind of rubber or plastic. But it just takes a couple taps. Boom, that was in easily. All right, folks, and in just a few minutes, boom, you're done. All you need is a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. We use our power drill to help us make this a little bit faster, but in a couple minutes, you've got a chair fully assembled. It's easy peasy to do. It doesn't take a lot of time. It doesn't take an expert. It's a really easy chair to assemble. It's a quality chair. Your folks are going to love it. Get yours today at Chiavari.com.